Hello friends, welcome our channels. Today we have make a egg special recipe with dry gravy. So let's start it. Or take first already all ingredients: 3 numbers of eggs, 2 boiled eggs, oils, coriander, 1 chopped onion, 3 number tomato slurry, 1 slice of mango, green masala, dhania powder, red chili powder, salt, Maggi masala, cheese. Now take a pan, put on a low flame and add 2.5 puri oil. Now add all masala. 1/2 spoon salt, 1/2 spoon red chili powder, 1/2 spoon Dhaniya-Jiru powder, 1/2 spoon green masala, also add some Maggi masala. And coriander. Now mix well. So all masala taste are mixed very well. Now take boiled eggs and cut round slice and add it and mix with masala. Now remove from pan and put the plate. Now make a fry eggs. So we add 4 puri oil and also add 3 eggs in a pan. Now add 1/2 spoon salt. Now eggs are ready and take it out and fry boiled eggs. Add on fry eggs and also some cheese. Now we make dry gravy. So add onion in pan and mix it and cook it until its color changing in golden brown. Now onion change its color in golden brown. Now add some tomato slurry and also chopped mango. Add it. and mix very well. Add all types of masala: green masala, Dhaniya-Jiru powder, red chili powder, salt, Maggi masala. Now it's mixed very well and cook it. Some oil is needed, then I put in the pan. Now you also add garam masala. Now add half a cup of water and mix it. Now I use also some special masala. They also available in market. Now add coriander and mix it. Now dry gravy is ready. Now dry gravy add on, fry it. We also already make it previously. Now we also add cheese. Now it's ready for eating with roti, or we also eat with bread. Now here I eat with roti. Now if you like this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe, and also push the bell icon. Thank you for watching.